Yes. So now what? Wanna deal with yo, make sure son I know yo New York. We in the building again. This you see me? This coming May the 15th we out there we say 4 play. Girl on the dress up in on the lingerie and come out, come go out with no sitting. You see me a deal with? Why brave man, you know it got already man, you see me? From what you will like a topic arise. But you know me got already, you know, me like to watch things play out, you know. As me that said to you the other day. You see women, them at risk. And as I tell you too, you know, I don't want to know come congratulate Jamaica for not catching of none of these people. Because so what me get for understanding Jamaica is, you see if one topic no stink and everybody a talk about it and enough of them little thing you get sweep underneath the rug and some of the time, the only time police investigation go on at Jamaica one time it viral. Some of the time, the only time them people get justice served to them at one time it viral when everybody a talk about it when all of these things. You feel me I did? And at the same time again, I could ask the next question now. Feel like the people them where I report them live with people that bring down people where molest and rape people and kill people. Why you find it in yourself so you have to go report something like that? You is a raper, you like to see the abuse of women and them things, you like to see how the man them a draw down woman jaws and a cut off their head and a fling in a one gully and them they sitting there. Some of them have sister, one to no mama won't have on the yard. Some of the time you can't even say that because enough of no boy. One not even treat no mama good, some of them even like no mama, some of them hungry with females. Some of the time, woman not do nothing more than look up girl cousin them and no mama they do this one no young and grow up going eat girl. The whole of grow up going eat girl. And some of the time the woman they don't know how to trust on around your daddy. Because at the end of the day, you know, this is a mechanic boy, you know. One thing I'm going to tell you for a boy, you know. You see girl pitney? None of them no belong to none of blood clot uno. No woman no ordained to no body boy down here so. See if I Bible a fool you know, uno get unfool for me no. No girl is not owned by no man down here. No man name no stamp on no girl boy. You see she no want you, she no want your pussy. That she mean she no want you. She not say she no want a man, she no want you. Somehow you must learn to take blood clot rejection and know when to go sit down in a bumbo clot corner youth. You see me I deal with? I want to know, feel like every girl who says stout and I tell so no want to they want to fuck on her. The girl have standards boy too. And then everything you want as a girl you go get that no neither like a dirty boy. Not because you see her they say about yeah man, girl that man, she's straight and thick. She don't want you bad man. We no must learn to accept. When girl no want to know and stop take them and kill them, go rape them, draw down them draws, cut them throat and do all of them things, the pussy hole. Man I go fuck on a blood clot jail and come in on a bumbo clot throat. Cause pussy they too good for someone, you know. They too good for someone if you just that blood clot jail every day. The jailer them just get up and start stab and beat on a bumbo clot and well on up and beat on and well on up and beat on a bumbo clot again pussy hole. I want to know enough girl we call to boy whenever one we do stab up that and rape that. You hear that youth? Enough girl we call to when we don't want. We can see her 10 morning in a row, 17 morning in a row, 3 year in a bumbuckler row the same bus stop. If she don't want you last year, last minute, 2 weeks ago, she don't want you brother. She don't want you youth. Someone come go and like say girl them boy and no bumbuckler choice. You know you mean if them have choice boy? The whole of them have blood clot choice, so now she have a choice now to deal with you, and that is her choice. Pussy hole, you know, put down no pussy underneath her. You know, put down no pussy underneath her. I mean, notice Jamaican man them. Don't see me face when me a reason we do no pussy hole. So when a Jamaican man them get to realize so when I think on a own girl, you know. Jamaican man feel like say they own woman. woman a feed them or anything. I wanna tell girl if you do them if you do that. More I wanna realize how much women are falling at the hands of men. How much women are falling off the hands of men who claim to say they like them, or love them, or want them. But man, if you love a woman, you know if you let her go. If mama na meds, you know if you love out mama. What do mama? Mama, you can't diss me. No time. I could have want you like, whoa. Go on, boy, your business, mama. You see me a dick a more girl out there. I can get a other girl. What me I go do? Rape you, cut your throat and make your mother and everybody a ball. Jamaica man, them deal with woman the worst pussy clot. Inside the sex, outside the sex. Me even not talk about other race, man or nothing. You know, me have to talk about what me know, you know. Me not go talk about no Yankee boy. Me not go talk about no Hispanic boy. Me not go talk about no bumbuck lad. None of them. Jamaican man hate woman too much, daddy. When you hate girl too much, I don't love talk about so I don't love girl. I don't love nothing about blood clot woman. Because you see when you love sitting, you can't even kill it. Me have one dog in there, so. He violate, me beat him. Me feel bad in myself. Me feel bad in myself. Why me feel bad in myself? Because I love my dog. Because I love my dog. You think me can go in there and say, me go stab Sasa and kill him? Me go cut Sasa throat and Sasa want puppy. You cannot kill something that you love. No matter how good you say it is in your mind, I say, oh, me love that, you know, me kill it. Just the love we have in your heart make you can't kill it. You know, hate woman too much. Oh yeah, I'm find a different tree, you know it already. You understand? I have to find a tree for you, you know. You see one time I look upon it, I prayed. If you love woman, seeing them dead, seeing them with them throat cut, fling them out of one car. After the fuck, you kill him. Alright. Why you kill her? You know want to go to jail for the rape, but you rather go to jail for murder. That is a fucking foolish. Uno rape them woman and take them pussy against them blood clot will as yardman was uno rape woman. Woman now no life. Uno love girl more than anything. But what uno do? Uno the island we kill woman the most. And uno say uno bad man no days. Right now fucking government. Because uno say them the pussy they not help uno. Uno help uno self. If uno realize in a uno self, say the Jamaican man them uno have done this, so all them do a beat uno, kill. Jamaican man don't even take care of woman. You can hardly find that. Before a Jamaican man take care of a woman, he cuss your fuck. But he will beat her, he will he'll treat her, he will kill her bumbuckler too. But taking care of her was not one of him bumbuckler thing them. Jamaican man not take care of a woman. Them deal with woman the worst as you can see. Remember say last year 2020, let me show you how the year did start for Jamaica. Because we know, I'm going to show you again. So this is not a coincidence. This is a trait that Jamaican men have. Watch you now. 2020, July 31st, December 31st. This is the day before the 1st of January. We all saw a man get up with a gun in her hand, so. Bloom, 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 bloom. And she slump over. Dead like a blood clot dog. Dead like a dog. Because him think him own her. A Jamaican man think this, you know. Them think they own woman, and if you're done with them fi kill you. If you don't want to fuck a Jamaican man, him fi hurt you. One time you don't want a Jamaican man, him fi beat you and ill treat you. Oh, no think that. And none of you now looking now no bumbuckler self. And that me notice now. Watch us, every girl are dead in a boom. Come back to January now. Soldier man, kill fame one, drop that a ground. Then member say out of half a tree or must down a mud line somewhere in a Kingston. One man cut off him baby mother head in a middle road in a morning there. Member says a trait this way them your money have. 2021. 2021 now, that last year when time Corona that take out. A good thing Corona did come and make a place lockdown. And so the woman and Pitney then did stop dead. One time then take away everybody. Remember now, we have give traits of Jamaican men. This can happen over and over again and we not go talk about say this is a disease what Jamaican men have. Jamaican men have a disease. A disease. Well, you don't find Jasmine yet? All know, right? Alright, I could come to 20. Enough we left around this, you know. We can't talk about everybody at 2020. 2021, no. How much woman dead gone? Alright, now, let me show you now. Samantha, baby father, cut her throat. Run her down like one dog. You see now? You see bush like this where you see back at me right now? And this in run her down. And gun her down like one dog. You know? One of this, yeah. When you look at her slippers, then they over there. So, I make we talk about the girl at Spanish Town. In her bed, the boy go and stab up her and cut her throat. And then make we talk about mums now. Make we talk about this brown in your work. Alright, mama go, you know? And then take her, kill her, rape her, and chew her over gully like one blood clot plastic bag. Like one plastic bag. So if you don't want to see it, no, Mr. Wholeness, say the men in Jamaica are sick and need help. Where you going to take to see that? How much time you can see a woman kill her man? I'll sit here and wait. Which part of Jamaica you can see a Jamaican woman kill her man? Let me sit down right here and wait. I'm going to talk about sickness. Which part of Jamaica you see a Jamaican woman get up, a cut her man throat, stab him much in time and left him in our house, and throw him in our gully like one dirty plastic bag? Or do all of them they sit there to a man? When have you ever seen a woman do that? When you no ever see that? One woman cut a man throat and fling him down in a blood clot bush. When you never see a woman run down a next Jamaican man and stab up that in a one bush, make him run out and sneak as them. You understand? No, girl, don't come for me go there. Me no vlog about other places where me no come from, girl. And nobody come tell me about a Jamaica alone. And I love pick up for Jamaica too much. Jamaica is a small circumference, girl. Don't come for you. Because I'm not a fool, you know. I love for blind the fuck what go on a phone no yard and talk about other people yard. Go there. Which yard you come from? Which yard you come from? You think me come here to vlog about Bumbleclad Venezuela? You think me come here to vlog about Pussyclad Trinidad? You think me come here to vlog? Me talk about what go on in the country where you come from. The man them where you come from. Because all in America, you no see a man them come up here come do the same thing. So you know come tell me about say I'm not Jamaica alone. You talk about where you come from, girl. I don't come from none of them country the way I go try bring to me right you know. Me a talk about where me know. Me no pick out matter out of people, yai. That are not my thing. Me pick out matter out of female, yai. Cause I'm my yai that. A Jamaica we are talk about. We not talk about no other country. You see for them news that come on phone news. You no see American news that come on a Bumbleclad channel. No. A Jamaica you come from, girl. A your yard that. Make a reason about your blood clot yard. Our yard. Our place where the whole we come from with a Bumbleclad accent here where the man then cut with short. Fuck with. Kill we, make sure so we pussy cut out and throat and tongue and Bumbleclad, everything cut out. Talk about your yard. Me no business about Venezuela, me no business about America, me no business about that. Talk about your yard. Nobody can beat if you talk about your own yard. You get fucked when you go talk about other people's place. You come from Barbados, you come from Bahamas, you come from Trinidad, you come from America. No, where you come from? You come from the place where we lose 3 women in a 1 week. And that's where you come from. So that's how we are reason about. You as a female will come from a place where female dead like dog by the hands of men, and that we are talking about. You see me? You see right now which part we there as Jamaican woman. Remember I said the whole of our life at risk, you know. A dead we are look for dead soon, you know. A dead we are look for dead soon. Why? Because every day when you wake, what you see? One different man where we are fuck and call he even baby father or boyfriend or a man we check for we. Remember say them a tab and kill and cut with blood clot short. So we have to sit down and talk about that. Remember say them the man there where we have done at Jamaica. Remember, you know? Remember, I done the then there. A murder us as woman, remember that. Foreign, that a feed them thing. In America, you can't even touch one girl too tough. Boy, people think about it twice now. Them think about it twice. Down at Jamaica, we are raised about. Where women life don't matter. Every day, me, when I get up at Jamaica about Black Life Matter, the whole of we black down there. No race war not go on here to say one brown girl. No, in America that's still black. In America that is a black woman that's still a one black woman. I don't care what no one say about that. You know what kind of ism are going down there? Humanism, the raping and killing of women. Where the justice then there for the woman? Eh? Which part the justice there? Because you know, sister, the man them was supposed to protect the woman, them and kill them. Women are not safe to walk on Jamaica roads. I want to see that. We have to talk about it. We have to talk about it. When one Jamaican woman can walk already again and feel safe. When one Jamaican woman can walk, go shop, go buy something and come back home to her family. When one Jamaican woman can go and bus stop again, take her taxi, go to work and come back home alive. When that go happen again? When we are going to get justice to them, your woman here? When we are going to put in one of them the strict regimen the way say, yo, you see if you touch a woman, you're going to get dirt or you're going to go fucking prison for life. When woman are going to get some kind of law put against them? None at all. None at all. Woman down there dead. Alright, what do you see a boy dead at Jamaica? Gunshot kill him. Yes, even a badness with the rest of bumbuckler, bad man them. And the whole of them a walk a tooth gun off of one another. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Me run over here, so you run over there, so bam, bam, bam. Me a go kill you over there, so blam, blam, blam. If me no catch you, me kill your brother. That a man war. My woman now do nothing at Jamaica more than I try feed all the pitney them or them same Jamaican man there. Fuck them and give them a mind. And then can't even go work in peace to blood clot. The woman then can't even walk go somewhere. Remember say Samantha come from work. We go pick up her baby from her baby father and walk. Her baby father run her down in a one bush. Like a dog. He run her down like a dog. And tabby and kill it. And she come from work, she come pick up fear pitney from him. Feed them pitney, you know. Fi care go where she go, you know. Remember say she a fear work and a fight hard because guess what she say? She'd have her pitney birthday coming up and she'd want to give her baby a birthday party. She couldn't even get that. The money they were she'd have probably save her for bury some. So when we are going to get justice to woman, you think me sorry for none of them boys when me see a dead by gunshot down a yard. Them for dead. Them for blood clot dead. And them a walk a fuck up a place. And them a walk and a shoot up them one another who run round a one gully and who run round a one banking. Them for dead. Them they figure dirt. The woman them know. What una see a work hard, single mother, I go work, and them una have strength for a walk and a cut short. Pussy. So una blood clot girls and so una love girl. Una no love no girl, batty boy. Una no love no girl, all Andrew Wellness a one batty man that. Cause me could have never be the blood clot prime minister of one country where them a kill girls so in my place. No boy, I no more than make una afraid me pussy hole. Touch one more girl and every man a get dirt. I saw me a look on it now. You see me a deal with? If una go kill the mothers them of Jamaica land, me a dirt every boy pitney. The next girl pitney, me see get touched. Andrew, you know rate your girl them. Mr. Wildness, you don't rate your bumbucklat girl them. You see the Jamaican woman them the nice woman them, me talk about the Munchie and the whole of them and the Chantel them. You don't rate your girl them. You don't rate none of them there. You don't rate none of your woman them what you have down there. The girl them must stand up in a sun and come vote for you. Girl vote more than man of Jamaica. I want to not take care of them. Every day you get up, Mr. Anjo, you feel them. Because you're not putting no measures in hand to protect them from them barbarian mania. Me no see y'all know. You call a conference. If you say, yo, you know what? We have violence against women. In right now, it's painful, isn't it? It's painful. Oh, God. Protest. That would have been lovely. That would have been lovely. Him not have no daughter. No wonder. Because anybody who have a daughter now gonna allow these things, you know. No. No protection for the woman them. You crazy? No protection for the woman them. You crazy? You know, see, man, no want no protection. Remember, you know, you think say me and you alone see it every day. When we go down with timeline, so one different woman dead and her throat cut, him see it too. Him see it too. Just know say him see it. Me see it, you see it, him see it. Everybody parliament see it. Everybody see it. But what gonna happen? Oh, you catch that one there, you catch. Some of these people are Jamaica serial rapists and serial murderers. Some of these people, but because we don't run investigations in our country, you won't even know that. Say you have this rape is linked to this murder and this murder is linked to this rape. No, we don't have measures like that or we want taking off our country. No, because it's a third world country and that are always the excuse. That are always the excuse. So you can have the serial rapers and serial murderers out here. A kill and a rape. You know how much man rape and kill woman at least 2 times and I still a walk about the pussy clad place? Yes! And enough of them sitting there come and solve. And enough of them, that's why we woman them at risk and a dead off in front of our face. That come here for everybody. What? Are you a fucking idiot? Are you a pussyclat idiot? And I'm live, I said that right now. Ain't so good. And I'm live, I said that. Ain't Janka? You there, I'm live, I said that right now. I said that come here for everybody because them your money if you kill a woman them. Ain't pussy hole. Eh? Ain't pussy. You see why the country can't better all enough for dead off youth. People like Uno for go youth and Uno for for cut and finding out. You see like all you where we put that right there, sir? A morning for your throat for cut and somebody find you somewhere. You feel bleed out from one bumbucklat curve and channel pussy hole. Somebody feel holy and drown you under bumbucklat water against your bumbucklat will pussy hole. Somebody feel catch your bumbucklat just gas you and light your pussy hole and make you run round the black pussy hole. Just a run round and nobody can out you. Bumbo hole. Somebody just see a catch you and I use big bumbuckler long nail to so that's a juke in your bumbuckler yai them. So till it bust through everything and you just look like one strainer. Yeah man. Somebody will put you in a one bumbuckler pen. A hog where you eat paper and just make them name your bumbuckler. You forget name you out. We need justice for girl them body boy, that me say. Bitch. Somehow the younger thing when I see girl for push on the hood in them. Go suck out to no mother. That's why when I deal with the girl them so. Because one time when I see girl one thing when I see is a condom and them mouth for fucking her and them pussy for fucking her. That's all woman mean to uno. That's why one time when I done fuck them when I can kill them. Because women no mean nothing more to uno Jamaican man than some blood clot fuck and some head. Pussy. Because uno mentally blood clot disturb, you know. Pussy hole, you know. So when time a Jamaican man see a girl, guess what him say? Some fuck. And you see after the fuck there? You see after the fuck there? What do you mean you can just kill that? Remember when a Jamaican man tell you that you think a Jamaican man mind woman take care of them and them say no, when a Jamaican man see a girl some fuck him say. Him say some fuck and nothing past that. Because Jamaican man rather cook food with them friend than go eat from a girl. So as them see a girl, only thing them see a crutches. Only thing you see so you don't have no kind of feeling in your stomach for your woman. Because as you fuck and you come with a little idiot waist nut. You can cut her throat, fling that in a one blood clot go like a batty boy. You don't love woman. You don't love pussy. No. And that you know. You don't love woman. You don't know what it is to love a woman. You don't love woman, you don't love pussy. Can you say, no for no boy can do with a girl. For 2-3 months and no fuck it. 2 weeks and no fuck it. You not there with a girl 2 days and no beg her some pussy. Why? Because when you see woman, all you see some fuck. When you see all the blood clot brown in there now, you say, no long more fuck that. Yeah man, I some fuck that for you getting more that suck off mouth. That's all you see. You don't see the mother of your child, you don't see your wife, you don't see none of that, you see some fuck. You see one condom, your hood, she, her mouth. Nothing else. When a Jamaican man see a girl, you feel like him see no wife and him see no none of that. No. Him man a see hood fi get fuck. And she if you can suck off that. No, all the time when just like none. I saw a dirty man them stay. Jamaica dirty man them is like that. You know, as long as they know so you have a hole under you, them a go hold you down and fuck you. Jamaican man love rape and love kill. Notice, remember them trade, how much time they show you. You are gonna make somebody show you them true colors over and over and then you go turn a blind eye to it. You stupid. Jamaican man show you say them 8 girl all they want to do a fuck after the fuck done. Gunshot. After a Jamaican man done fuck you, might as well you can just dead. Then can just cut your throat and fling you down in a one blood clot gully. Then find you someday. Or tomorrow or one next time when your body a think. Remember you know, that's all. So, our Jamaican man, then we not going to deny the fact that they need help no more, right, Andrew? Are you going to deny the fact that Jamaican men need help? Jamaican men, I put, you know notice me not say man, I say men, when need blood clot help. You see help? It dead the phone now, no need for go get it. Someone need for go talk to some psyche and this and that, because you're sick. You don't think say a foreign alone serial rapists and serial murderers there and predators? Them down there too. We are prey upon people pitney and a prey upon girl pitney and a prey upon hard-working woman for fuck them and kill them. So when time I see it, I mean, as I said to you, when I stop going reason with me about the blood clot world, I'm going to suck on no matter with that. I'm not there for reason about no world, bitch. I don't care if it's a world problem. Yes, I am off the world, but I come from Jamaica. Which boy, you think so none of we born? Which boy, which one of our birth certificates of the world? Who have for them problem deal with for them problem, man? And I love straight from phone problem to other people problem too much. And I can't talk about so now put on. Now put on nothing, man. Pussy whole idiot girl and idiot boy. If you don't come from one place, no make for them crime rate bad down. And walk go on over there so bad down. You no pick him mat out of phone, no bumbo clot, yai. Me no give a fuck what go on in the other part of the world, idiot. That me a try tell you no. Me I tell you, say, I down there so where them a rape and a kill the woman them. Me not there as a vlog about Venezuela or no other side of the world. Suck your mother with that. Me I talk about what me I see in the place where my mama push me out. What the fuck do no? You no love put on yourself with the other world. And that are no problem too much as Jamaican. You no reason about on a bomb buckler itself. Yes! Other place have them sitting there. You no come from the other place eh? Talk about where no bomb buckler come from. I don't there's a 3 girl dead in a 1 week by the hands of men. No shut up man. And reason about where no come from. And talk about wish but they don't care about the woman them. Jamaican man most what no down here so what no fuck? Where you fuck goody? Now a Jamaican man a fuck you. He's a Jamaican dog. One next race man can fucking kill you. No Jamaican man you a fuck. What you mean? Reason about that. And stop talking about yeah but this go on here so too. This go on here so shut your bumbo clot. Look for fear. Pussy clad country. Look for that. And them will kill you down there. You think that somebody from Haiti come down there and kill the girl them so? Raise about to no place. Raise about your place. Where the girl them are dead with drawers down her foot, throat a cut. And top tell me about bumbo clot at that place. You don't live at that place. You don't have family at Jamaica. You don't have niece and nephew and auntie and all of them sitting there at Jamaica. Raise about to no place, man. When you dance on the fucking yard before you come talk about abroad, man. But blood, we all know say it happen everywhere too. Fix Jamaica first. At Jamaica, we are talking about one little circumference, a land. I go on so I kill woman so hard. A woman can't walk in peace. All know them can't find Jasmine Dean. The amount of missing girl for one little bumbucklat island so. Jamaica from Portland to Mobile about 1 6-7 hour drive. And you reach there. From one point to the other point. If you drive 6-7 hours, you reach right a fucking Mobile. What is that? Jamaica not even big like Florida, one state near Florida. And that we are talking about what the fuck you not can tell you about other world and other which part bray and which part there. Look on the little bumbo class circumference I hit me a talk about. Who no can't protest? Them make it obvious. When they on lockdown. We don't have to fix Jamaica first. Fix the man them down there first. Because when I see, I know girl a kill man. You can't call this domestic, you know. A man a kill girl. Man a kill girl like fly to pussy hole. Three-hour drive. Hello. From Portland to Mobile, can't. I said, what? Can't. From Portland to Mobile, 3-hour drive. No, that not even worse than 6 hours to blood clot. Me bumbo clot. Somebody have to clear up that for me. Somebody have to clear up that. That can't be true. That cannot be true. That can't true. Me say not from Kingston to Mobile, you know. Me say from Portland to Mobile. Five-hour drive, half be 1.5. Make it less than 6 hours. And look that to pussy clad. Wanna take 3 hours to finish one island. I show me. I show what me talk about. 3 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours then. Wanna take 4 hours for done one island. From one point to the nether point. And look there. 4 hours in a dog. It take you go from one point to the other point. 1 point to the other point. Alright, that's the drive you go fucking Orlando. From where me live. 3-hour drive, carry me go Orlando. I can't that me a look for. Me not think of 3 hours. From Portland to Mobile. No, sir. On a certain, can't. 1 point to the from Kingston to Nigga. Yeah, that me I say. It can't be 3, man. It can't be 3. It have to be about 4 or 5 hours, man. 6-hour drive. You see me? Can't because 3 hours? Not 3 hours, no. Me can't believe. Look how Jamaica a little bit. 4 with the highway. I lie. Hour and a half from Kingston to Mobile. Jesus Christ. I want to murder people. You can't walk out Jamaica. Jesus. Hey. I don't know, yeah, man. 5, 6 hours, though. 4 max. I feel something like that. I feel something like that. And look here, Mr. Wholeness. Your island don't even big like from Miami to Orlando. Me not even talk about the Keys, you know. Me say Miami to Orlando. That are 3 hours. 3 hour, 40 minutes. 4 hours, depending on hour drive. You understand me I did? Because sometimes you have to stop and rest stop them and piss or go buy a soda or buy a water or something. You see me I did? But yeah, from here so, well, me live abroad. So from dead. Yeah, 4.5 hours. You see me? Yeah, forgot Orlando. Yeah, man. Boy, Andrew, you must go measure your circumference of your island and see how much of your woman them are dead. So if all of the woman them are dead, so me where the man them are do? If all of the little waist body man 87 them just a kill. All of the woman them fi match up back with who are dead. Chillani, my boy, what's up, bobo? Well, me never do it 3 hours, you know. 4 hours me drive go a lot different buy. Me don't do about your mama, because me not speed. And me can't drive, and my wife drive, and I always stop. So if you do it in a 3, outside for you, but a 4, me you know. You see me from dead to Orlando, stop speeding on these people's highway, you gonna get your ass a ticket. Your ass is gonna get a fucking ticket. Continue, bro. Continue. You boy, you're up on turnpike. You're clear to turnpike. You wait. This you know how the bumbo class stay trooper them stay. You know. Them just want to see you. Them will come out for your bumbo lad. So you turn you better start doing it. Do the right thing. Don't. And I 95 me take. Because you don't want to clap it sometime. You see me I do. Me know well the turn, me know boy, yeah, turn point nice, say about, yeah. Me just want one day for we smile again, and all of we as women. Me I wonder if they need to have a concert for women. Me can't say put it in a pink because that's a cancer. But more than say get a color, even if it's white, light blue. You know, there's some kind of protest or a convention for the protection of Jamaican women. You know, even something like that. That would be a good idea. But my phone is dead, dog. I mean, I'm so sorry. Yo, I'm so sorry, but I'll come back later though. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm sorry, but I don't want it dead, so I can't watch it back if I don't want. I know it's going to fuck up because my phone ring enough times, so I know that I'll fuck it up. Sorry.